COVID-19 has crippled courts across southeast Louisiana, and that includes the courthouse in St. John the Baptist Parish. That's where a judge was suspended after being accused of inappropriately touching juveniles. But records WDSU Investigates has obtained show this one judge has been getting paid not to work for 2 years while awaiting trial, and other judges are getting paid extra to cover his caseload. How much has it cost the taxpayers? WDSU's Aubrey Killian has the answer to that question in tonight's WDSU Investigates story.
According to these records that we obtained from the Louisiana Supreme Court, St. John Parish Judge Jeff Perilou has not been on the bench since taking a leave of absence in May of 2018. Since then, he's been paid more than $308,000 without spending a single day in the courtroom. The state Supreme Court officially suspended him in June of 2018 after he was indicted on 3 felony counts of inappropriate behavior with a juvenile and 1 count of misdemeanor sexual battery. Perilou has pleaded not guilty to all charges. State records show cases that would have been assigned to Perilou have been added to the dockets of 7 other judges. That's cost more than $176,000. So between Perilou's salary and the money to cover his caseload, taxpayers have picked up the tab for more than $484,000.
The problem is concluding this case, and this case just became even more bogged down in quicksand because of the virus situation that the nation is dealing with.
Rafael Goyeneche is the head of the Metropolitan Crime Commission, a local watchdog organization.
When you look at just the dollars and cents, it's going to be upsetting because this is allegations of misconduct by a public official. It makes it even more egregious when you're talking about a judge.
Perilou was scheduled to face trial in March of 2019, but his court date has been delayed 5 times, most recently due to the coronavirus.
It's taking too long for judicial misconduct in cases involving administrative proceedings to be adjudicated. That's something that I think needs to be reviewed by the Supreme Court.
This is video from when the judge posted $35,000 bond to get out of jail in 2018.
Do you want to say anything to any of your constituents?
Thank you. Not at this time, thank you.
Or any of the members of the public here, or?
Not at this time, thank you.
Are you innocent?
The Louisiana Constitution allows judges to collect pay while they're under a suspension. They'll also continue to earn retirement.
They're paying the judge that isn't there, plus they're paying another judge to do his work, which those funds are being paid by taxpayers in all of this. So 2 judges are being paid to perform the work of 1 judge who's under criminal indictment right now and under criminal prosecution. So that's galling to the public.
Perilou declined our interview request through his lawyer. His trial is scheduled for July. Reporting, I'm Aubrey Killian, WDSU News.
In a statement, Perilou's attorney says, quote, Judge Perilou is very anxious to get back to the job that the citizens of St. John the Baptist Parish elected him to do. He has every intention of running for re-election this fall. A trial in this case is scheduled to begin on Monday, July 13th in Edgard. We are hopeful to have a jury selected and the case tried before the end of that week.